So Elatec designs and manufactures RFID card readers, and we're based just outside of Munich, but we have a global presence. We're throughout Europe, USA, Australia, and we have an office coming soon in China later this year. And we design readers for user authentication applications, and they're using either high frequency, 13.56 megahertz, low frequency, which is 125 kilohertz, and also smartphone authentication, whether it be near field communication, also known as NFC, or Bluetooth low energy, also known as BLE. And we design readers that are either desktop versions in a housing with a cable, or also just strictly the OEM modules, and those can come with or without an onboard antenna. The technical advantage of the Elatec readers is that our TWN4 card reader is virtually a one part number solution, and it supports over 60 different RFID technologies worldwide, plus NFC and Bluetooth for smartphones, and it's certified worldwide in over 100 countries for global distribution. Well, we go after really any customers that are global oriented, or they have their customers that have maybe multiple sites, and they usually have multiple card types. So we like applications that involve many different RFID technologies, and that's where our reader really shines. The Elatec card readers are used in a wide variety of applications from various industries. So, for example, our card readers integrate with multifunction printers, or MFPs, and that's used for what we call secure printing applications, and that requires the user to scan their card before their print job is released. Some other applications are car sharing, computer log-on, electric vehicle chargers, we have fitness equipment, and many more applications. Our readers, they interface with a lot of different things, so the great thing about Elatec is we're involved in many different markets, so we produce just the readers, but we rely on our customers that bring other products to the table, and we see our technology really all over the world.